Before you go into production, you want to make sure that everything is all organized. So here's my folder that I'm going to be working out of for my book. And you can see I have all of the text in a Word document. This is a good time for you to double check the spelling of everything. So many spelling errors. And the other thing is all of my images are here also ready to go. So you want to get ready before you start making your book and have everything in one folder. The other thing that you want to do is get your images ready. So I'm going to go into Photoshop, and here's an image that's going to be in my book. And I can look over here at the title of the image, and I can see that this image is RGB and at 8-bit. And so now we're going to use our plugin that we downloaded from Blurb to convert this to a proper color space for print. It's really easy. All you have to do is go to Edit, go down to Convert to Profile. When you open up the Convert to Profile, you're going to see that you have the destination space, and this is where you go to the pull down and you choose the Blurb ICC color profile, which will show up here because we installed it in the last video. And now once I click OK, you're going to see the color shifts a teeny weeny bit, and right now it's in a CMYK, which is what it should be: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black at 8-bit. And all I have to do now is just save my image, and it is in the correct color space to be put into InDesign and eventually be in a book.